Hey, it's Matthew, and these are the Hot Wheels 2020 Super Treasure Hunts F through K. People always ask me how I get these supers. I've been lucky to find many of them. It's not easy and I like to hunt a lot, but sometimes I have to trade for them or buy them. I also sometimes post up supers I find on my Instagram. In my area, there used to be places where collectors can meet to trade, but now with COVID-19 this hasn't happened. But there are many good people on Instagram and Facebook that you can find to trade with. I also recommend Toy Peddler for those rare and hard to find pieces. So the first car is a Mazda RX-7. You can check out my case openings to see me compare the Super to the regular. So you can see this is a dark orange, then it says 25TH on the hood. Then some diamond white, blue, and then darker blue. Then Hot Wheels. $25TH again. This is a pretty nice car, but I just don't really get the darker orange and then the blue stripes and stuff on it. But I do really like the rims that they added on this car. I think it's a great addition. We have seen this car a lot of times and it was made by Junimai. We have never seen this car as a premium, but it has been a special K-Day recolor. So the next car is a 17 Nissan GT-R R35. So you can see this car is dark blue, then a white stripe on the top, and dark blue outlines on the rims. This car is really nice. Since they're trying to make it look like the actual GT-R, I get it why they didn't put like any tampos on the side. You can see the backlights, 25TH, then 50th anniversary. This is the 50th anniversary for GT-R. This car's been made as a Toy Fair, a Tanner Fox car, and now a Super. So there's two variations on this GT-R. You can see this GT-R has the ridges on the bumper, and they use two tools to make the GT-Rs. So you can see, since this has the ridges on the bumper, you can see this GT-R doesn't have any ridges on the bumper. So you can see these are both variations. Sometimes variations come in even amounts, or one comes more than the other. And I've seen more smooth bumpers than rigid bumpers, so the rigid version is probably going to be a little bit more rare. So next up is the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. So you can see this car is a dark red that has white star rims. And then it would be cool though if they had all the tampos like they did on ones that they made in 2019. That would have looked a lot better as a Super. Because this Super is just plain red and then white rims. And you can see the backlights, and 25th is on the back. And then of course the Audi logo. This car was first made in 2019 and has only been made 4 times. So the next car is a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So you can see this car has orange star rims, then the super nice light blue color, then orange interior, 25th. You can see they made the 25 blue and then the TH orange. And you can see the Lamborghini logo. Just in case you didn't know, the rubber tires on Supers can sometimes be taken off. I don't really get why they did orange and blue. What would have been a lot nicer though is if they did full black Spectra Flame and then the red right here as the interior too. You can watch my previous video about all the Sesto Elementos and information about the car. So the last Super is a 57 Chevy. So you can see this car is pink and it has gold rims, 25th right here, El Segundo, California, it says right here. Then Rod Squad, Hot Wheels. But what I really like about this car is how there's like rust all over it. I think that was a great detail that they've added. You can see the rust on the back right here. What's also cool is how the rust, it has a different texture than the actual paint on the car. Larry Wood designed this car, and it was also a Super in 2011, but the exposed engine variation has also been a Super. My favorite Super out of all these 5 would usually be the Lamborghini, but since I don't really like the colors on it, I would choose the GTR over the Lambo. Because these colors relate to the actual car in real life. But then this Lambo doesn't really make sense with a blue and orange color. So check this out. I started a Super Treasure Hunt tracker for you guys. I'll be updating this with all the Super Treasure Hunts. Check it out on the link below. You can also access it from my Instagram bio. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of these 5 2020 Super Treasure Hunts.